Hey, this is Xavier with Modern Exterior here in Big Bend, Wisconsin. Today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about gutter apron, what it is and specifically what it does. So I got my gutter sample here, and if you can imagine, when we install this, we're going to install it about an inch below the top of the fascia and that roof line. You can kind of see it here on this one. It's a little bit lower here than the top of the fascia and that edge of the roof. So yeah, we're going to install it about an inch below that line. And if we do it just like this and we put that fascia bracket in, there's still an exposed area at the top of that fascia. It's a lot worse with wood, but it can still definitely happen with metal. You can see it here. This kind of pulls away and there's a little lip there and the wood fascia is underneath. So when there's no protection there, any water that's coming down from the roof could easily get up and underneath that fascia and then completely ruin your fascia wood and drip further into the soffit and then further into the building itself. And that could ruin the sheathing of the siding, it could ruin the decking of the roof, and so on and so forth. So as you can see here, we have this little piece of metal, and you can see it end at the bottom of the gutter there. That's the gutter apron. So it sits at an angle, but still flat up and under the shingles, and then it sits flat, straight on the very back of the gutter. Any water that's flushing down this roof, instead of seeping into the seam that's created at this line, it's going to go straight into the gutter, flush properly down and into the downspout. And that's really the basics. We'll get into more specifics like drip edge and just more gutter stuff in regards to the exterior of your home in a further video. But for now, yeah, that's the basics of gutter apron and what it does for your home. Until next time.